Hi, brother. How are you?
I'm fine, brother. And what about you?
I'm
Sorry,
fine
sir.
too. No, that's fine. You can call me brother. I don't prefer calling me as sir and all. So, brother is fine.
Sir. Actually, it's the very first time for me. I'm
Mhm.
having this type of conversation in front of camera, like uh,
Hmm.
face-to-face conversation.
Yeah. So,
Uh,
no problem. Let's do it very slowly as
mm,
you feel comfortable. Don't force yourself. You speak as you want it. No one is there to
of
judge.
course, sir.
Nothing.
Of course, sir. Sir, make sure that if I make any kind of mistake, feel free to interrupt and correct it.
Sure, sure. No worries.
Okay,
No
sir.
worries. Yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So let me introduce myself. My name is MD Arman, Mohammed Arman. I'm from Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and I'm pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Lucknow
Mm-hmm.
with a branch of Computer Science and Engineering.
Hmm.
And my hobbies are like exploring new places, like blogging, but I didn't visited any places.
Okay.
But it's like my dream. So
Hmm.
I will in future. I will visit in future. Yes, sir. And
Great.
that's all about me.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
I've known a lot of people who prefer going different places, exploring. It's a good hobby, You learn a lot of things about that place. When you travel, you will meet a lot of people. That's a
Mm,
good hobby that anybody can have. Nice. Appreciate you that.
yes, sir.
And yeah,
Yeah,
as
sir. Please
as
introduce little. Oh, sorry, sorry.
sure, sure.
Little bit.
As
I know. I just want to know about you.
Sure, as you
You
asked
know
me
what I mean,
to
sir.
understood. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
as you asked
Mm-hmm.
me to correct, there is one small thing that I want to correct. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
See, when you talk about past tense, right? Uh,
Past
like
tense.
a past tense, right? When you use did in the sentence, we never use V2 or
Mm-hmm.
V3. So I didn't go, but it's not I didn't went. So it's something like that. I just noticed one sentence that you are using after did V2 or V3. Just small
For
correction.
three.
Yeah, it's after
Yes, sir.
did we always go with V3.
Like I did
Yes, I
first
didn't
word
go.
V1.
Yes, I didn't go. I didn't eat.
Oh,
I didn't meet. So just small correction. The rest is
thank you, sir.
fantastic. You really spoke well. Yeah. Uh,
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the correction.
no problem. To introduce myself, I think you know my name. My
Mm.
name is Ravi Naik. I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
I
Uh,
know, sir. I know. Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah, yeah. Tell me, no problem.
Ravi Nayak, sir.
Ravi Naik, Naik.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ravi Nayak, sir.
Yes, Ravi
Oh,
Naik.
okay. Yeah, I watched many of videos, but I didn't notice what you are saying. Your name, I got
Huh.
confused. Like it's a Tamil name. Like Tamil Nadu people has
Huh, huh,
different
huh.
type of name and
Yes.
very complicated to understand. Yes, I thought
Hmm.
that, but now I
Hmm.
can understand. And here written Ravi Nayak. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
Actually,
can
I'm
see on the
from
skin.
actually I'm from a tribal background, right? I just want to say it openly. Uh, Tribals
Mm,
have at the end of their names Naik for men, Bai for
mm,
women. So that's how my name is Ravi Naik, Naik. And we also have Nayak. These people are
mm.
found in different states, but they don't fall under tribal community, but they are in different communities.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm watching a video since 3 days,
Mm-hmm.
and I noticed that you have talked many people like
Hmm.
Nepal, a student from Nepal, and a
Mm-hmm.
man from Pakistan,
Yeah,
Islamabad,
we
and
just uploaded yesterday that video.
yeah, yeah, like 23 hours ago
Haha, yes,
it
yes,
happens.
yes.
Recently, I was visiting your channel and
Oh,
to see how you interact with your juniors.
hmm.
And that's why to boost my confidence
Thank
because
you very
it's a
much.
really very first time for me, sir.
No, no
I
problem. Thank you
didn't,
very much. Thank you
so
very
it's
much
very
for
challenging for me.
yeah.
Yeah.
First of all, thank you very much for following the channel and improving yourself
Hmm.
by watching different students and learners in our platform. I really
Hmm.
appreciate you for that. And yeah, you don't need to worry. See, I think you know about myself, where I'm from and what I do and all.
Yes, yes.
I don't want
Andhra
to,
Pradesh. Yeah.
yes, I don't want to introduce and say all these stuff
Introduce again.
again. Yeah. So as you mentioned that you are a B.Tech student, and what's the stream that you are
Hmm.
in?
Computer science and engineering, and I'm in a first year.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yes.
So you just started your B.Tech journey, right?
Yeah, yeah. And I'm noticing that there in my college, my faculties, even my classmates, some
Hmm.
of the classmates, not everyone, they are speaking English, and it looks very different. And the
Hmm.
respect for him, I created in myself. It's
Hmm.
very good, and I thought I also should speak English, uh, and it's boosts the confidence very fastly. So
Definitely.
that's
See.
yeah,
Uh.
mm,
Uh. First of all, as you mentioned, there is no word called fastly. We have faster,
fastly.
faster.
Faster. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Fast, faster, fastest, something like that, but we don't have fastly. Okay, just a
Thank
small
you, sir.
correction. Yeah, no worries.
Mm,
As you mentioned, if you improve your language abilities, grammar a little bit,
mm,
and the way you speak and all, along with that, if you have a proper B.Tech degree and other stuff, I'm sure getting a job and communicating with others and expressing
mm.
yourself is more important. For example,
To
you know
present
everything.
ourselves.
Yes, you know everything. You have everything in your mind or brain. If you want to express that, you don't know the
Mm,
language. You can speak in Hindi or any mother tongue that you have, right? But if you want to express that in English with someone else or maybe the
mm.
stranger, maybe from different state person, right? So how do you
Yeah, yeah.
communicate? The person doesn't know Hindi or any other languages, but only English. Then how do you express?
This is why, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
This is why global language made.
exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
So you try speaking. I think I haven't found any that many blunders so far that whatever you spoke, it's really good. Just go with that.
Mm.
Practice, practice, practice. Doesn't matter what others think about you.
Yes, sir.
Even when I started, I
Yeah,
did the
it's
same. Hmm.
mm. Yeah,
Go
it's
ahead.
happened many times with me. Like
Hmm.
whenever I used to watch your videos or Ramsar videos,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
at first I see you in Ramsar videos,
Yes, yes, yes. We
and
made that.
then
Hmm.
I this is how I am at position, like my condition in English
Understood.
language.
Understood. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's also the good thing that you at least know a different other platforms where you can go and start speaking, practicing and all.
Yes, sir.
That's a good thing. I think you just go ahead like that, and you must have some friends or classmates where they must have some interest in speaking English. You just talk to them. uh See, one thing I can tell you, bro, see, do not bother about the environment. Don't think that I don't have a proper environment to speak in English. No, this in this century, the YouTube or whatever online platforms we have, that's the best thing that you
Yes, sir.
can use it. So don't think that I'm alone. I don't have anybody. How can I practice? How can I improve my English? No, you have people, you have social media. See, use it. Like you approached me today, you practice, at least you
Mm.
practice for 30 minutes, right? Again, you request somebody else, you practice for some time, get their
Yes, sir.
tips, get your English speak corrected. Then you start improving on those areas and try speaking, speaking, speaking. That's the mantra. Nothing else.
Yes,
So one day
yes,
you will
sir.
definitely feel
I'm
proud of
nowadays.
yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nowadays I'm looking for a new YouTuber like who will message me back like response.
Hmm.
They give response. Like
Hmm.
I guess you will not response me even because I'm a student, and why somebody will response me and accept my approval. So,
It's not like
but
that.
after one
The
hour,
moment, yeah, the moment you texted me, I was in
I
my
get
office.
message back. I got scared.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I got scared. Eventually, I think, oh my god, and I have to face the
Hmm. Hmm.
and now I have to face uh, sir, Ravi Nayak sir,
Yeah, yeah.
and I don't think so I
Hmm.
can do or not, but now I'm feeling you made me very comfortable, and
Thank you.
I'm saying as much as possible,
Hmm.
not much, but a little bit words as much as I can speak. So I'm uh,
That's it.
saying
That's
now.
still good. You are trying to manage. See, you're just in your first year of B.Tech. There is a lot to go
Hmm.
ahead. Just start speaking like this.
Mm.
Do not mind, do not take the negativity in your mind. Even if somebody tries
Yes.
to criticize you or demotivates you, try to take it in a positive way. Just think that, okay, people are there to comment on us, but we should not take everything to our hearts, right? So just leave their comments or
Yes.
whatever they, I mean, talk behind you or whatever it is, but just have a vision what you want to achieve in after degree. I mean, your B.Tech degree or whatever it is. If you want to get a job,
Mm.
you just look for it. If you want to master the English, whatever it is, you just try to have a small goals. Basis of that, you just try to
Yes,
decide.
sir.
So that will help
Mm.
you to boost your career. I mean, to settle in our career with the help of English. So that's what I can tell you. But do not stop
Yes,
your
sir.
journey. But do not stop the journey.
So I won't stop, sir. I will continue from today.
That's
So, sir,
great.
as you mentioned, you talked about the platform.
Hmm.
So, are you going to develop a platform like English Yari app, where there
Something
should
like that. Something
must
like
be
that. Something like that.
your
It's
own your own application, na?
my own application, my own platform where people can come there. We have tutors. We can talk to them. We can help them. It's very small amount I'm charging. It's again for for tutors charges for platform, that for that sake I'm just thinking to charge that amount. I think that's the
Yes,
best
sir.
platform where I compared with different platforms. We have per play and other platforms where people speak, they charge a lot. And after thinking that, I thought of, okay, apart from making videos on YouTube, let's try this. Let's have people connected and help them through voice. And sometimes you also have video option. It depends on the package that you have. I don't charge much, as I said. I think after attending a few sessions, I'm sure people will definitely see a lot of changes because uh, myself will be there, and I'll also hire the tutors who have experience in all these areas like soft skills, communication skills, and everything. I'm putting a name called Talkmate, TALKMATE, Talkmate. I mean, that's the app name that
Oh,
I already purchased the
that sounds
domain.
great. Yeah.
Yeah, I purchased the
Yes, yes.
domain. I'm trying to start. It takes a little time, like month, 1 month or two, but I'm sure I'm gonna start that platform.
Yeah.
We'll have to see
Yeah.
how people.
So,
Hmm, hmm.
can you tell me the exact date when it's going to be a start? Uh,
I think I have your WhatsApp number, right? I'm sure I'll let you know once it
mhm.
is, onboarded. I mean, once it is done,
Of
everything.
course, I will join, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you very much.
because as you know that English yard is very expensive. I
Hmm, hmm.
last week I downloaded and visited the. Then I noticed that, oh my God, it's very expensive. I can't afford it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
for the
This is
60
what
conversation, it's
this
ten
is what
thousand.
I thought, because some students may not might not afford that, right?
Able to buy that type of, yeah, yeah,
Exactly, exactly.
exactly.
So I thought the same. Say, let's see how it goes. But this is what I'm thinking for now.
Mm. No, sir. Makes it, you are going to start very good idea, and it's very helpful for the students, for every student. It doesn't matter it's a middle class family or rich
Yeah,
class.
yeah.
Yes, higher class.
Let's
So
see.
you are
Thank
going
you.
to very, you are going to do very a good job, sir.
Let's
And
see.
I will tell about yourself and about
Mm-hmm.
your application and a channel to my friends
Mm-hmm.
who is interested,
Mm-hmm.
not in my laws but
Yeah,
from
yeah.
other laws, like so I will tell him.
Definitely.
Sir, as you mentioned that it's my first year,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm working in a communication skill. So
Mm-hmm.
apart from this, I'm also learning some languages,
Mm-hmm.
not communicated like sir,
Hmm.
I think that type of languages to use to develop, or
Hmm.
like web developing. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I have
Web
completed
developing.
it, yeah.
Hmm.
So I have completed HTML, and now I'm learning CSS.
Oh, great.
CSS, yes, it's used for styling.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm in front end developer, so I'm doing that.
Great. And I can also tell you one thing, right? If you have the same interest in learning English, so of course, if I have more students, more learners in my website, I should have tutors to talk to them, right? So if you can have those skills by then, if you improve on your language,
Mm.
I'm sure I can. I need some tutors for the platform. So try to work on your language where you can help others to improve. I will be glad to
Yes,
have
sir.
you in that. So it's just a kind of thing that I'm
Me,
telling you.
sir.
Yeah, try to work on it. I think take 6 months or 1 year. By then, if you are
Okay,
good
okay.
for that tutor role, if you are able to interact, able to help others, I'm sure I'll be happy to work with you. And yeah, we'll see how it
Yeah,
goes.
of course.
Yeah,
But
that's
in
what I'm
future,
telling
if
you.
I become,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
Mhm. In future, if I able to maintain that, then of course I will,
Sure,
because
sure.
it
For
will
that,
help
for,
me. Yeah.
sure, yeah. For that, you learn. Join somewhere, you learn all the skills.
Yes.
Then you will definitely. I don't think that you will make a lot of money, but you will follow the passion. At the same time, you will make minimal money, which can suffice you. Right? It's kind of service
Yes, sir.
based. People will be happy. They'll get a lot of knowledge from you. That's the best satisfaction that anybody can have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly. I'll be happy to be part of your journey, sir, in future.
Sure, sure, definitely. I'm looking
So
forward for that.
actually, I have 1.5 G.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, inshallah. Actually, I have the 1.5 GB of data, so it's a
Mm-hmm.
90% used. So I will talk to you later, sir, if
Sure,
I
definitely.
get chance any in future. Nice
Definitely.
to meet you, sir.
Yeah, we'll be in touch. Thank you so much for joining. Just never stop your journey. Just
Yes, sir.
go on. Okay. Bye. See you.